Stop wasting hours manually typing out eBay listings. Whether you're clearing out unique vintage finds or listing brand new inventory, there is a significantly faster way to work. Let's look at two real-world scenarios. First, take this old vintage camera. Usually, you'd have to spend 20 minutes researching the exact model, the lens type, and typing out the condition. But with the new 3D Sellers update, you just upload the photo. Or maybe you just received a fresh shipment of gaming consoles. You don't have time to copy-paste specs. You need this stock live now to catch the sales wave. Here is how we make your life easier. Go to the listing tool, click the AI button, and select Images to Listings. Once you upload your image, our AI doesn't just see a picture, it recognizes the item. It instantly autofills the missing data, writes the title, and populates the technical specifics for you. It even analyzes the market to give you a price suggestion based on similar sold listings in the same condition, so you never leave money on the table. From a simple photo to a published listing in seconds. This is how you scale your business without the burnout. Ready to turn your photos into profit? Start your free trial at 3dsellers.com today and see how easy listing can be.